dear students, nice to meet you. Glad to see you. How are you?
Yeah, fine. Koydum hocam, ben айтып bittім de. Gülcama geldi.
Take care of yourself. Now today we will continue our previous lesson. The lesson was about culture skills, culture in business, the place of culture in business sphere. Yes, and I have sent you video lesson. Yeah, I think you watched it yesterday. So today we will take vocabulary skills, mainly idioms. What do you think here? What is idiom, girls? Idioms. Do you know
Idiom?
Idiom. What is idiom? Guljamal. Have you heard this word, girls? Yes. So look at my. Do you see my writing here?
Yes.
Let's clarify or identify the word idiom. What is it? Zarina, please read the word idioms. What is it? Read.
Who?
The screen. Please read.
Kim okuydu? Zarina hocam mi?
Zarina. Big week girls. Zarina, do you see? Jarkana. Yes, Zarina. Big week girls. Please use English girls. Zarina, what is the idiom?
Okay. Idioms are a type of figurative language, which means they are not always meant to be taken literally. Idioms express a particular sentiment, but they do not literally. Is that all?
It's a figurative language, It means that they express a particular sentiment, but they do not literally. You see, idioms exist in every language. For example, here we have the word cold feet. What does it mean, girls? Cold feet. Cold, it's hot. Yes, feet? Yes, when it's an idiom, girls. When we use this idiom, we mean not our good cold feet. But the toes are actual cold. It means that the person is nervous about something. You see? The person is nervous about something. This is girls' idiom. Today we'll take these kind of words in our sentences. First on, before it, so what will be our text about? Girls, what will be what today's lesson about?
About idioms?
About idioms, mainly the use of idioms in business here. Now let's come to our objective. What is objective? Last time we talked about it, girls. What is objective? It is what? Sell. Uroka, yes? The objective is you should first, Jarkhan, please.
The first?
A.
Clarify this one. Clarify the place of idioms in business.
Okay. The next one?
Use idioms in the speech and exercises.
This is our objectives, girls, for today's lesson. Now our lesson is practical lesson. Let's go to our practical part, okay?
I listen you very bad.
You?
The noise.
It's not.
There is a noise. I don't know.
Noise çıktı.
Cultures, you see here. What do you see in this picture, girls? What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture?
In the picture?
Yeah.
Picture yok bacıken?
You didn't see the picture?
Emi çıktı.
Yes. What is the English for emi çıktı? Do you see pictures? Jarkhan?
Yes.
Yes. What do you see in this picture?
This is a picture.
What do you see?
Hayır, joke.
In general, what?
This is cultures.
Yes, cultures. Yes, this lady. She.
Food.
Now she is what? In a costume. That's interesting costume. What about the next picture?
Yes.
Arina, what about this?
Ramadan.
Ramadan. Ramadan, okay. What these people are doing? What
They are eating
the food.
They are eating, but from one plate, girls. You see, from one plate. all these people.
Yes.
What about the third picture, Guljamal? What is
The
it?
third
I don't
picture.
know. They're praying maybe.
Yes, they are praying. Yes, a lot of people are sitting together in one room and they are praying. So these are culture skills. Now we'll take vocabulary idioms. There you see
Can you say the page?
page 56 girls here. 56, Sarina. You have an e-book, yes, girls, PDF file. Now 56. The word instruction. Choose the most appropriate word in the box to complete the idioms in the sentence below. Before it goes, I want to ask, Jarkanai, last time I gave you homework goes. Which country would you like to visit on business? What would you like to know about the culture of this country before visiting? It was your homework also. Just answer to these questions, girls. Answer the question. Which country would you like to visit on business?
On business.
On business.
Типа бизнес боюнча кайсыл өлкөнү визит кылгың келет, ошонтойбу?
Yes. And what would you like to know about the culture of this country before visiting? Jamal, which country would you like to visit? And what would you like to know about?
We'll start.
I want to visit Korea.
Korea? Okay. You have already visited Korea.
I want to make a relationship between two
Countries?
between Korea's university and our university.
Okay, so in educational side, yes, you want to work.
Yeah.
Educational. Okay, thank you. Jarkan, which country would you like to visit in business, on business?
I want to visit very many countries.
Many countries, okay.
But I saw in internet that Canada is a first country which good business.
Really?
In which language you will speak in Canada?
In Canada. Okay.
Yeah.
The question, Jarkan, okay, go on.
And business culture in Canada is a blend of American, British, and French tendencies. Or they are connect with these countries.
With these countries. So,
Yes,
what would you like to know
because,
about culture? Jarkan, from Canada, what would you like to know about the culture? In Canada's culture, what do you want to know?
Everything.
Everything. You are interested in everything. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Good job,
Yes.
please.
I would like to visit on business to Chicago.
Chicago. Okay.
Even you are working in a small magazine,
What?
Store.
store, you can be rich, you can buy your own car because their earn is very high. And there are a lot of Kyrgyz that you can find any job and Kyrgyz can help you. I think.
You think also, Gujamal, the question, what would you like to know about the culture of Chicago? What would you like? The culture of Chicago.
As you know, they're American people, so
So?
I'm really happy. Their culture is American, so they don't interest what you are wearing.
So, thank you, Guljamal. So, girls, you have coped with my task. All of you answered my questions. Thank you, girls. It was your homework. Now, let's go to our idioms. So, the instructions. Zarina, do please read the exercise A.
Instruction.
Uh-huh.
Wait a minute.
Have you found the page?
Choose the most appropriate word in the box to complete the idioms in the sentences below.
Yes. There are, you see, some words in the boxes also. They are I, food, water, fire, ice, and end. What should you do? The instruction is, what is the instruction? Also, what should you do?
We will correct and read here the correct word.
Yes, you should put the correct words to the bold places. Yes. Boş orunlarda толтырышыбыз керек. They are idioms, girls. These words are idioms. The first sentence, Jarkın, read. The first sentence.
I was thrown in at the deep end when my company sent me to run the German office. I was only given 2 days notice to prepare.
So, deep end. What's it, girls, here? What does it mean, deep end? The meaning of this? Yes. He has no way what to do. No way what to do. To the deep end. Конец it means. The next one, Guljamal, number 2.
We don't see eye to eye. Yes.
You are right, girls. Eye to eye. About relocating.
Relocating. The finance director wants to move production to the Far East, but I wanted to remain in Spain.
Remain in Spain.
Мы не можем увидеться лицом к лицу.
So, about relocating our factory. What's relocate? What does it mean? Location. Relocate.
Location.
Переместить.
What? Yes, переместить. Because he wants to stay in Spain. Yes. So, eye to eye, it means, girls, eye to eye. We don't see eye to eye. Listen, please. I don't see eye to eye. It means I disagree. Yes, I disagree. Быть против. So, okay, thank you, Guljamal. Zarina, number 3.
I got into hot water with my boss for wearing casual clothes to the meeting with our Milanese customers.
What is the word here? I got into hot water. Zarina put. Should I use hot water or hot fire?
Fire, hot fire.
Yes, hot fire. The word hot we have here. What does it mean?
Эрике вообще логика не токен да бул жерде hot water, fire и так горячая.
Okay, that's why it's easier, Zarina. That's why it's easier. What does it mean, Zarina? Hot fire. With my boss.
То есть рисковать, типа, бандай, бирге кетүү, бирге бандай.
Yes.
Все делать вместе.
Okay, thank you. Jarkın.
Small talk is one way to break the food.
Okay.
Ice, maybe. Ice.
To break the food. Okay, Jarkın, go on, then we'll start. When meeting?
For the first time.
Which word can we put here, girls? Which word? Small talks is one way to break the
food or water? No, ice.
Ice. Yes, Jarkın. You see, ice can be what? Broken. Yes, we can break ice. To break the ice when meeting someone for the first time. What about the meaning of this word here? Of this idiom, the meaning also.
Эжеке баягы кыргыздарда бир сөз бар го, эме жакшы сөз жыланды да ийинен чыгарат деген тип ошондойбу?
Okay. Guljamal, Zarina, do you have any ideas? Other versions? Small talk.
Yeah, I agree with Jarkın.
Yes. Жакшы сөз жыланды дагы ийинден чыгарат. Yes, жылан да окуп келет болот. So, thank you, Jarkın. The next one, Guljamal.
I really put my foot in it when I met our Japanese partner because I was nervous. I said, "Who are you?" rather than "How are you?"
Are you or who are you? I will put my foot. The meaning of this idiom, Kujamal, the meaning.
Put my foot. Adaştırıp kalkaştır aldım degen mi? Pramesili aldım degen mi?
Bir nersen de.
Смущаться, yes,
Bir nersen kirişken demesi mi?
I really put my foot in it when I met our Japanese partner because I was nervous. I said, who are you rather than how are you?
Yok, adaşıptır. Zarina karab birincisinde I said who are you, ikincisinde how are you dedi.
Maybe he's embarrassed. Yes, girls, he doesn't know what to do. Instead of saying who are you, he said how are you. Okay, the next one, Zarina, number 6.
I get on like a house on
on which words are left here? Water we have, yes, girls.
Water?
No.
Water'dan daha başka ne var?
Food. Kaydayla.
I bar, water bar.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 girls. Maybe.
Yok, burada 8.
I get on like a house on
water.
Girls, yes, on water. Doma, yes.
With our Polish agent, we like the same things and have the same sense of humor.
What does it mean? I get on like a house on water. It's just similar, yes, girls. Comparison. What is it here? I get on like a house on water.
Demek bana çöktürken suyun astınдағы үйге оқшаш deyü.
Suдағы үйде, бұл деген не деген? Ешқандай жолы жоқ деген.
Нет, sunun üstünde үй болушу мүмкүн эмес го, бирок ошончолук экөөбүздүн юморубуз окшош экен эле.
Экинчи бөлүм карала. We like the same things. What is it? And have the same sense of humor. So, what does
Бар жогубуз окшош экен деп атат.
Окшош болуп атат. I got on like a house on water. Мындай айтканда окшоштук боюнча айтып атат. Similarities girls.
Evet, тамчы судай окшош экен да.
Yes, in this way. Yes, you're right, Jarkın. Number 7, Jarkın.
When I visited China for the first time, I was like a fish out of water.
Yes, you're right.
Еменге Кытайга визит кылганда, Кытайга биринчи жолу барганда, эме судан чыгып калган балыкка окшодум дейт. Как будто бы
В своей тарелке.
Чувствуй себя не в своей тарелке. Yes, okay, thank you, girls. Everything was so different, yes. And I couldn't read any of the signs because if you don't Chinese language, you can't read any Chinese word, yeah. So among you, who knows Chinese language? Zarina, do you know Chinese?
No, of course.
Jarkın, of course.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Korean.
Yes, ni hao. Yes. The main word, yes. Number 8. Okay. Guljamal. 8.
My first meeting with our overseas client was a real eye-opener. I had not seen this style of negotiation before.
Okay, which
Для меня был открытием.
Eye-opener. A real eye-opener, yes, открытие here. Okay, go. Thank you. You know, you understood what is idioms. Yes, when do we use idioms? Why do we use idioms in our speech? What do you think? Why do we use?
It's
To
like
impress our
mean.
Yes, to
Which
make,
we use
to emphasize. Then what else?
to impress our speech more clearly.
Yes, more clear than what? Just in like
More beautifully.
more beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, more beautiful.
Kağızga orap aytkаны.
Yes, emphasize. Yes, thank you, coach. Now let's do a listening comprehension. 7.4. Listen to 8.
No, don't do it.
Why? Just listen, girls. Maybe I will.
Because we can't hear clearly.
Now, first let's listen. Maybe I will give you as a homework this exercise. Okay? Now
We have listened. Okay.
I'll be attentive, girls. Now let us start.
Recording 7.4. 1. I was thrown in at the deep end when my company sent me to run the German office. I was only given 2 days' notice to prepare. 2.
We don't see eye to eye about relocating the factory. The finance director wants to move production to the Far East, but I wanted to remain in Spain.
3. I got into hot water with my boss for wearing casual clothes to the meeting with our Milanese customers. 4.
Small talk is one way to break the ice when meeting someone for the first time.
5. I really put my foot in it when I met our Japanese partner. Because I was nervous, I said, "Who are you?" rather than "How are you?" 6.
I get on like a house on fire with our Polish agent. We like the same things and have the same sense of humor.
7. When I visited China for the first time, I was like a fish out of water. Everything was so different, and I couldn't read any of the signs. 8. My first meeting with our overseas clients was a real eye-opener. I had not seen that style of negotiation before.
That's all, girls. So what was it? Girls, what was it?
Idioms.
Yes, it was the answer to
you have
your
already
exercise,
read.
girls. The answer to your exercise. Which exercise? This exercise. Were you right, girls? Are your words correct?
Yeah,
Yes.
we were right.
Yes.
We are always correct.
You are always correct. Yes, good job, girls. Thank you, girls. Yes, you are very much clever, smart ones, yeah? So, exercise here. Consider the context of each idiom in exercise A and write down those which have positive meaning, negative meaning. Eye to eye. Is it positive or negative? You should just girls.
Positive.
Eye to eye.
Positive.
Positive. The next one word we have again. What are like real eye opener, yeah? Is it positive or
Yes.
negative?
Positive.
Positive. Then foot we have. Where did you put here? I really put my foot in it, yeah?
It's negative.
Negative.
Negative. What about water, water? Yapma, do you remember? A fish in the out of water.
Positive.
Negative.
Negative or
Positive?
positive?
Negative.
Negative. Yes. What
Negative.
about
Okşaş
fire?
buzda ötmüyor.
No, fish out of water, Yapma here. Fish out of water.
Bu eme negative.
Negative, yes. The next one, fire. Hot fire, Zarina. I go
Fire,
with a hot fire with my boss. Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. The next one, ice break ice. Break,
Positive.
positive, and the last one, and we know, yes? Okay, let's continue. We have just 1, 2 exercise to the girls. Exercise E, I will give you as a homework, and let's do exercise D and try to finish or conclude our lesson. Match the idioms in exercise A to the correct means A to H. So, where should we put? Jarkhan, read the first one.
Given a difficult job to do without preparation.
It means, girls, what is it?
The first one.
Yes, deep end, yeah? The next one. You should find, girls, the meaning. Clear? These are the what?
Quickly have a friendly relationship with someone. Break the ice.
Yes, ice. Need the eye. The next one, Zarina.
Feel uncomfortable in an unfamiliar situation.
Fish out of water.
Out of water. Okay, thank you, Jarkhan. The next one, D.
Say or do something without thinking carefully that you embarrass or upset someone.
What is it?
Who?
Say or do something without thinking carefully. Without thinking carefully.
Like a house.
Like a house, what here now? This is your prompt.
Put foot. Put food.
I really put my
Put food.
Hot food, yes. The next one,
Which
Zarina.
is food.
E, Zarina. To disagree?
E, to disagree with someone.
To break, maybe yes?
To break the ice.
Ice. Guljamal.
No, no.
Баягы айттыңыз го бирөөдөгө чыксаңыз.
Okay, what?
İkincisi, to disagree with someone.
Disagree.
İkinci ayıp.
Sit down.
Second.
Not
Eye to eye.
eye to eye. Yes, okay.
No.
Eye to eye? Guljamal.
Okay, yeah, yes.
The next one?
An experience where an experience where you learn something surprising or something you did not know before. Eye opener.
Eye opener.
Yes, eye opener.
It's the last step. A real eye opener. My first meeting with our sales clients was a real eye opener. Now, here, an experience with
Новое открытие для меня.
eye to eye opener, okay? G. Zarina.
To get
Make someone you have just met less nervous and more willing to talk.
Make someone you have just met less nervous and more willing to talk. Here. Which one? I get on like a house on the water with our politicians. Yes, here. To be like a house on water, Zarina. Water? Чувствуй себя не в своей тарелке, да өзің айттыңар ғой. For the first time, daughter. Nervous and more willing to talk. Сөйлескісі келіп отыр, бірақ қолынан келіп жаңа айтқан Қытай тілін білмеген үшін сөйлесе алмайтынсыңар. And the last one, Жарқын.
to get into trouble. Bir bedaga түшүү, беда болуу.
What does it mean?
Эме, баягы путу кирип кетүүчү, to put food. Жок, deep end.
Deep end. It's to get into trouble. Is everything clear, girls?
Yes.
Ladies, was the lesson interesting?
Yes.
You've learned at least 8 idioms, yes, today's. Now let's conclude.
Yes.
Let's feedback to the lesson, girls. What have you learned from today's lesson? What have you learned? Let's conclude, girls.
We have
Idioms in
learned
English.
Zarina, first. Zarina, do please. Your opinion. Feedback. Please give feedback.
We have learned idioms what we have never know.
Before, yeah? Before.
Known.
Known,
before.
yes, known. Okay, Jarkun.
To our daily, we learned many idioms.
Ideas. Okay, Guljamal. Thank you, Jarkun. Guljamal.
If you will ask from examination, we will be ready instead of another student.
Okay, you are ready, yes, with the idioms. Okay, thank you, girls.
With only 8 idioms.
Okay, thanks. So, exercise E, I want you to give as a homework. Zarina, please the instructions. Zarina, exercise E.
Work in pairs or small groups. We discuss the following.
The first question, Jarkun. Jarkun, the first question.
What tips do you have for breaking the ice at meetings with new clients?
The ice, it's what's it? To break the ice at meetings with new clients.
Биринчи жолукканда кантип музду жарса болот дейт.
Кантип музду жарса болот? Значениеси кандай болот? Мааниси кантип?
Эме кантип мындай жакшы сөздү баштасак болот дейт. Ортодогу мындай келишпестикти кантип жок.
Отношенияны айтса болот.
Yes. Next, talk about a place you have visited which was a real eye-opener, Guljamal. You should talk a real eye-opener.
Рассказать что-то, которое для тебя было открытием.
Yes, thank you. Zarina, the last one.
Describe a situation when you put your feet in it, felt like a fish out of water, got into hot water, were thrown in at the deep end.
Yes, all these words you know. Yes, for the next time, I want to open my lesson with these exercise, girls. Okay. That's all for today.
Okay.
If you have questions, do please ask me your questions. If no, then take care of yourself, girls. See you next time. Thank you for attending my lesson.
Okay, thank you for the lesson.
Okay,
Thank you
thank
so
you for the lesson.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you.
See you.
See you.